59 North.
Look before you change lanes.
I did.
You didn't. I almost hit you.
Look, you seen me coming over.
I didn't see you coming over.
Yeah, you had time to stop.
I am taping.
You was able to stop though, right?
Because I have to slam on my brakes.
So you had time.
Well, the insurance will pay me.
Huh?
If I hit you, your insurance will pay me.
That would be good for you.
Yeah. Next time I do it.
Have a good day.
Are you cussing at me,
Yeah,
sir?
I am. Look how much fucking road you got over here. You
I'm
gotta
on my-
beat me up.
I'm sorry, I'm on
There ain't
my...
no goddamn center line. How much road you got over here?
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Or why are you...
I'm a goddamn idiot.
Let's call the police.
Yeah, you need police.
Are you okay, sir?
No, you're pissing me off. I'm driving a thing down the goddamn. You see we're coming through. You got 10 feet of road. Last night you don't give me goddamn 3 feet.
I think we need to call the police. I'm not going to speak with you, sir. Excuse me. I think your dress or something is caught in the door. I think your dress or something is caught in the door. I said I think your dress or something is caught in the door. Your dress or something is caught in the door.
It's my jacket. It's okay, it's okay.
Is that legal to drive like that?
I don't know, you want me to get it?
I just don't know if that's legal or not.
Why, you cop?
No, I'm retired.
It's alright, I know I'll cop.
Well, it's a good thing.
And my phone.
Yeah?
Get out. No, get it back in here.
I'm not even something.
You're gonna fucking run her over.
I'm not either.
Oh, look, an asshole.
KCUR in Kansas City, Missouri. Brian, lots to talk to you about, but Corey Bush is a single mother who got her start in politics after the...
Very much in the vein of
Oh, what an asshole! You stupid idiot!
If she's elected, which I expect, since it's a strongly Democratic district, she will be the first black woman ever to represent Missouri in Congress. It should be noted
That was
she beat
so
Lacey
fucking
McCoy,
funny.
who had represented the St. Louis area there for 20 years. His father represented that district.
And don't forget
forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.